Hello friends and welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Salesh Kushwaha and in this course you will learn OpenShift pipelines, how to install OpenShift pipelines using Web Console, installing OpenShift pipelines using command line tool, and then in the end we will have a demo. So please watch the video till end. So what is OpenShift pipelines? So OpenShift pipelines are cloud native CI/CD solutions that are based on Kubernetes resources. It uses Tekton pipelines to automate deployments across multiple platforms. Tekton introduces a number of standard custom resource definitions for defining pipelines that are portable across Kubernetes distributions. What it means is like we can define our pipelines and then we can import these pipelines or these resources inside any Kubernetes infrastructure. And then in the end we have OpenShift pipelines are designed for microservices and decentralized teams and are easy to integrate. It means that OpenShift pipelines uses the standard CI/CD pipelines flow, and it is easy to integrate and extend with any of the Kubernetes tools, and we can also scale up the applications using these resources. So let us talk about how can we install OpenShift pipelines operator using Web Console. In order to install, we need to log in using the administrative perspective, and then we need to go to the operators hub. From operators hub, we need to subscribe for the OpenShift pipelines operator, and then it will be installed. We will verify it on the subscription overview screen. And the second way to install it is using the command line tool. So in order to install it using the command line tool, we will need to log into the OpenShift cluster using the admin account, and then we need to create a subscription object, which I will show you later in the demo. And using that subscription YAML script, we can create the OpenShift operator. We need to execute the following command: oc apply -f sub.yaml. Sub.yaml is the name of the file which we will create in the demo. So once we execute, it will create a OpenShift operator pipelines into the OpenShift cluster. So in the screenshot I have shown you the sample of the sub.yaml, so we will be using the same one. And one more thing about OpenShift pipelines using Tekton is that it is a developers preview, means we will not have this Tekton pipelines ready for production environment, so it is not advised to use it on productions because we will not get any support from the Red Hat team. It is currently in development phase, so we will use it only onto the developers machine or the environments where there is no scope for production. So let us begin the demo. So I'm using my credentials. My user have the administrative privileges, so I will go to the administrator section, and there I will find an option operator. So I click on this, and then there is a operator hub. So once I click on this, a lot of options are available. So we will select OpenShift pipelines. So if you can see on my screen, we are into the operators hub, and then we will search for OpenShift pipelines. So this is the OpenShift pipelines operator. Once we click on this tile, we will get the option to install. I will click on this install button, and we are using OCP 4.4, and the namespace where it is going to install is OpenShift pipelines operator. And the installation mode is for, since it is available for all the clusters, so it is by default all namespaces on the cluster will be selected, so we will not modify any change. We will just click on the subscribe button. So once we click on the subscribe button, after some time it will be installed, and we can verify the changes, or the we can verify the installed operators in installed operators section. It will take some time for the installation to happen. So if you can see on my screen, the installation has happened, and now the status is succeeded. It means that the OpenShift pipelines operator have been installed in our OpenShift cluster. We can verify it from the developers console as well. We will log into the developers perspective, and then there we will have an option of pipelines. So once we click on this, we will have the option of creating the pipeline, and I already have told you that it is the developers preview. So here we will find the notification of that. So this is all about installing OpenShift operators using web console. Now we will look into how can we install it using the command line tool. So if you can see on my screen, I already have prepared the script for installing OpenShift pipelines operator. So this is the metadata, the namespace which we have selected is like OpenShift operators, and then the channel name is dev preview since this is the developers preview, and we have used the same namespace which is being used on the console, and it is provided by community of operators. So the second way to install OpenShift pipelines operator is using the command line tool. For doing that, we need to log in using the administrative console. The developer user is having administrative privileges, so I'm using that one. So I have logged into the system. Now I will use the command oc apply -f and then sub.yaml. So this is the script that I have created for OpenShift pipelines operator. So if you can see on my screen, the subscription has been completed and OpenShift pipelines operator has been created. So this is all about the demo. If you are new to this channel, then please go and subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This will help you in getting the latest updates whenever I upload. Thank you guys. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at the handle CodeCraft Shop. Thank you.